Forget the bread. Seriously, you need to try this for breakfast. Start by grating one whole carrot. I know it sounds simple, but wait till you see this. You're going to love it. Don't worry, I'll keep everything super easy to follow so you can get it right on the first try. And yes, it turns out perfect. This might actually change how you look at simple recipes. Add the grated carrot to a bowl. Crack in 2 eggs. Now just mix it until everything comes together. That's it. This is one of those recipes you try once and then you keep making it over and over again. It's that good. Also, quick question. Where are you watching from? I love seeing where everyone is from. Today's shout out goes to Amanda Wilson from Columbus, Ohio. Appreciate you watching. Now add 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of oat bran. Mix it. No need to rush, just make sure it's smooth. Best part, you only need a few ingredients. You probably already have everything at home. This is real life cooking. Simple, quick, no stress. And yeah, anyone can make this, even if you've never cooked before. Look at that, it's already coming together. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add some cinnamon if you like, it's optional, but I really recommend it. Mix again. And 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Make sure everything is well combined here. This is what gives it that soft texture. Take your time. This combo just works. It's tasty, filling, and still feels light. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter to a pan. I just use a spatula and let the butter melt as I spread it. Have you ever tried something like this? If you have a trick, drop it in the comments. Now, pour the mixture into the pan. Make sure it's level so it cooks evenly. I made this yesterday for some friends and they couldn't stop eating it, so I had to show you. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 6 minutes. Then flip it using a plate and cook the other side. Cover again and cook for another 6 minutes. At this point, your kitchen is going to smell amazing. Seriously, it's coming out perfect. You can also drizzle some honey onto, totally optional, but I love the sweetness it adds. And that's it. The smell alone is unreal. Don't be surprised if people start asking what you're making. Cut it up and serve. It's so good. Honestly, it won't last long. Soft, fluffy, perfect texture. This is one of those recipes you save. Now you've got a new breakfast idea that's easy and actually different. I'm adding a little extra honey because I love it. Everyone at home is going to love it. Simple, delicious, and worth making again. Enjoy.